video on YouTube after a long time, but this I have to make because I have been using this product for a while now for good skin, hair and nails, and I really wanted to share it with you all. So today I'm going to review Health Oxide Whole Food Biotin, which is amazing for your hair, nail and skin health. So first of all, what is biotin? Biotin is basically also known as vitamin B7, which is responsible for production of keratin. And we all know that how much important keratin is for our hair especially. And that is why we generally see on shampoo bottles that they claim that they do contain biotin, but till now there is no such evidence which shows that it can reduce your hair fall. And that is why consuming biotin is so important. And also because biotin contains a lot of antioxidants and nutrients, and that is why it really helps with your good skin and good nails. And also many people do have this confusion that should I have it or not, or is it harmful or not. So first of all, let me tell you that it's very natural. You can have it, and especially if you are in your 20s or above that, you should definitely have this because it is the time when some kind of aging starts and our skin, might face some kind of wrinkles, pigmentation, acne and whatnot. Because also today's lifestyle is so complicated that we are almost outside in pollution and sun rays. So these things actually hinder good growth of skin cells, and that is why it is so important to have biotin in your daily diet. And also the kind of food we are getting today nowadays is not very clean and super whole, and that is why supplementation is a way to complete the requirement of biotin in your body and really maintain your good hair, skin and nails. So let's just discuss about the ingredients or nutrients it has, and then we will go for the mixability and taste. So this one is Health Oxide Whole Food Biotin, which contains 10,000 mcg of biotin, which is really great. And this is vegan, sugar-free, no preservatives and GMP certified. So when it comes to ingredients, it contains Sesbania extract, which is really high in biotin and great for your healthy hair and skin. And it also contains bamboo extract rich in silica and great for shiny hair. And then amla, and we all know that amla is the best source for vitamin C, and vitamin C is so important for your each and every cell of your skin and hair. And I understand that eating amlas daily is not possible, right? And that is why this can really help you with vitamin C requirements. And then also contains pomegranate, which contains a lot of antioxidants which can help you with anti-aging. And apart from that, it also contains carrot powder, orange peel powder, lemon powder, green mango powder and Himalayan pink salt. Let's try this and let me show you its mixability. And by taste, I have already tried it and I love it, but just my honest review, I really like the taste. It's decent enough to have regularly. So what you have to do is just take a 150 to 200 ml of water, and you just have to add 1 scoop of it and mix well and enjoy. Stir it well. You can have it at any time of the day, but I am someone who personally loves to add my biotin or collagen or whatever I need. I use it in my protein smoothie in the very morning, and for that my recipe is up on my Instagram. It's amazing, like a kind of a juice you can say. And let's sip it on. Also because it contains the Himalayan salt, it will give you kind of a tangy taste, salty taste also. So it's not very sweet, so don't expect it like sweet, but it's amazing.